Hi, everyone. Melissa Vela-Williamson here with a quick tip for those who do public speaking or speak on behalf of yourself or organizations. When you do professional speaking of any kind, I find that it's helpful to bring your own tools. So I have a bag that I bring that's got my cords in it. I know that the laptop I use when I go out to make a presentation may not have the right cord connection port or thingamajig that maybe the AV team at my organization that I'm heading to may use. So I have different kind of, I've heard these called different things over the years, like a boondoggle and whatnot, but I have different cords that will work with Apple computers that will then convert into this kind of HDMI port, whatnot. I feel like those things have gotten a lot slimmer through the years. So I have different connections and I try to, for myself, star the things that I feel like are most often used. So for this for me is being used a lot, and where HDMI used to be something kind of big. I don't know if you can see that here. And now it's like this tiny little port. I think things get slimmer. So those converters are a big deal. You can find them on Amazon, HDMI converter cords. And so I have those. Those also help me connect from when there's times where you have to connect from a phone onto a laptop. So these kind of cords are helpful. And I also make sure I always bring my presentation on my laptop. I bring a laptop because sometimes the laptop they have doesn't work, or they didn't have one and you didn't realize that. You don't want that to happen to you. I also bring my presentation backed up on a thumb drive, just in case they want to use their laptop and they need my presentation. And the Wi-Fi is not great, so getting it from the cloud might be hard, right? So just have that hard on a thumb drive. And I always bring my own clicker. So this is on Amazon as well. This is a Logitech clicker. And that's because a lot of times I've been in these scenarios where I want to walk around and give a presentation, but they don't have a clicker available. And that's kind of a downer when I get stuck. I have to just click the buttons. So this is a clicker. It's really easy to use. I have my little label on here, so in case you find it, I can maybe get it back. You just take this out and stick it in a port on the side of a laptop. This is that traditional USB port, and so that usually works really well. And so I bring that with me, and then I always make sure I take it home because it's helped me in so many situations. These, again, are very low-cost tools, but they just help you seem more polished and put together and ready for all kinds of scenarios when you give a talk. So I hope those tips were helpful. Let me know what you like to take out and about when you go on your speaking engagements, and add any links you like to great tools that maybe we can find on Amazon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.